Why are so many people getting their hips done these days? One of the many factors is increased longevity and active lifestyles as we get older, which can lead to greater wear and tear on our hips. And people have higher expectations of their quality of life. They're not willing to tolerate chronic pain and limitations, which makes the replacement a viable option. And fortunately, there's greater awareness and acceptance of joint replacements these days. It's no longer seen as a last resort or something to wait years to do, but it's a practical option for living longer, living healthier, and keeping up with the activities that you love. And there are advancements in diagnostic tools such as MRIs, advanced x-rays, which allow for earlier and more accurate diagnosis of specific joint damage. There's also sports and high impact activities which can contribute to earlier onset of hip problems in younger individuals. And of course, there's obesity, which is continually rising here in the US. It can't be overstated that the excess weight on the human frame is never a good thing for the joints. Another factor is a wider range of patient eligibility. So with the advancement of surgical techniques, doctors are becoming more comfortable performing hip replacements on a wider, broader range of patients, including those who might have been considered too high risk in the past. And on that note, we can add advancements in medical technology. We live in such an amazing time where there's greatly improved surgical approaches that allow minimally invasive procedures with implants that are much more durable than ever before and shorter hospital stays. This allows the surgery to be more appealing to patients of all ages.